All right, guys, we're going to work on blending some sounds together to make a short word, a group of short words. And all of these words are going to have the short A sound, that ah, like apple. So here we go. First one, you can stretch it out with me. K, ap. And that would be cap. Next one, we'll stretch it out. And man. The next one, at bat. Here's another one, gap, gap. All right, next one, sap, sap. At, hat. Lap, lap. Slap. Made this one a little hard for you. Slap. And tan. At, fat. Ap, chap. Am, clam. And that's our activity with the short A.